Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Everything's ridiculously girly for a tech reviewer. I just always show you guys Apple products. Hi. This is not my laptop. I just know someone who got it recently and they let me unbox it for you guys. I be doing awkward social interactions with people just so I could steal their things to show you guys. So this was bought from Best Buy. So this laptop from Best Buy was bought for $1,300 and minus $75 for being a student. The new MacBook Air. I'm just acting as a consumer opening this up basically. I am impressed by all of you tech geniuses. I am not that, nor am I trying to compete with y'all. I'm just a regular consumer girl. So this is the MacBook Air, the 13th inch, space gray, 1.6 gigahertz, 8 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes. 13 inch diagonal retina LED backlight display with True Tone technology, 1.6 gigahertz dual core Intel Core i5, headphone jack, stereo speakers, 2 USB-C ports in here, Touch ID, backlit keyboard with ambient light sensor, FaceTime HD camera. That's really it, so let's open it up. Ooh, that's how she opens. This is how it comes. Yeah, okay. Alright. Ooh, whoa, she fills up like the whole box. There's no space. The space gray looks a lot darker than my space gray, and I have the old MacBook Air. Okay, so everything came out as it would. This is really light for a MacBook Air. Wow, that feels a little weird because it's so light for a MacBook Air. That is so light. I have the old MacBook Air and it is pretty heavy. It is annoyingly heavy. So this, holy crap. I know they said it was gonna be lighter, but like, wow, this is so light. This is like almost MacBook level. Let's look at what it comes with also. So it comes with the little MacBook charger. For some reason, it's a lot smaller than regular, unless I'm tripping. I might be tripping. Then it comes with this charger, like not the old MacBook Air charger, like the magnetic one. It comes with this one, which is like the MacBook charger, which is interesting. I actually don't really prefer these. I prefer the old MacBook Air chargers, the really magnetic ones, but that's just personal preference. It doesn't matter. It charges your laptop. That's all that really matters. Ooh, look at these space gray stickers. They're like metallic space gray. I've never seen Apple do any but like white, so that's cool. That's actually cute. I like that a lot. Your fingerprint can unlock MacBook Air and make purchases from the App Store, the iTunes Store, Apple Books, and websites using Apple Pay. That's really weird. So the power button is the Touch ID, which that's weird. Okay, let's look at the laptop. Here it is. It is like a very dark space gray. So let's actually take off this packaging. I really like that this is kind of like a mirror almost. You can't see it. Oh my god, it is a mirror. It is a mirror. The little Apple thing is like a mirror. That's really sleek. Wow, you can't see it. You can kind of, oh, here you go, here you go. You can see my ring light. The bottom, it's very thin. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Wow, all right. It's turning on immediately. Wow. Oh my god, the whole thing is screen. Come closer to show you guys. Like the whole thing is screen, as you can see, and then here is the little bars. I forget what you call them. This is...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Here, I'll set that up. English is the first language. Anyways, but as you can see, this is the screen right here. As you can see, this is the Touch ID power bar. Isn't that so weird? Oh my god. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to accidentally set my fingerprint to that. But yeah, the mouse
OS contains a built-in screen.
You know what's really cool? There's speakers right over here. Those are speakers. Wow, that's really cool. I am super impressed with how sleek and chic this new one is compared to like the bulky old MacBook Air. Like this definitely feels way more modern and is way nicer than my MacBook Air. This is so much heavier and so much chunkier. This is mine, right? It's so chunky and big. And yeah, and it's also like gray, dark gray on the inside. It's not like a white. Oh my god, yeah, this is very sleek and chic. I really like this. And it's really cool that they have the Touch ID power bar. I think that's really dope, and everything here seems really cool. Obviously, I can't give you a full in-depth review because I haven't been using it, but from first impressions, this seems very sleek, very chic, and there's a lot of cool things from this. Oh, you know what? I didn't speak about the ports. There's the ports. There is one headphone jack right here, and 2 USB-C ports right here, and that's it. Versus my MacBook Air, which has my MacBook port, a USB port, a headphone port, an SD card reader, and then other things. That's weird. That's probably the only thing I don't like about this, is that they don't have like a SD card reader, and you can't plug in a USB, which is really weird. This is kind of like a mix between the MacBook Air and the MacBook, which I guess maybe was the intention. You definitely need those attachments for your SD card, which is really annoying actually. But thank you guys for watching. If you want a review, comment down below, because I could literally just ask my friend and make a whole video for you guys, because I know that you guys really like tech related videos and love knowing the tea on Apple products. So I actually think this is a really cool upgrade from the old MacBook Air. It's noticeably a lot thinner. But the only thing that sucks is that I don't really like the charger that much, even though that's like kind of irrelevant. But I really don't like that there's no USB readers or SIM card readers, but yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through, y'all. Today, I have a whole big haul for y'all, and it's the girliest haul ever. We have pink, we have Victoria's Secret, we have luxury items from Macy's that I almost hit myself in the face with, and we have Bath & Body Works. This is like a real girly haul, y'all. So, oh, I even have more Victoria's Secret. Like, y'all, super girly, super fun. Let's get into it.